Hi and welcome to this brief video in which I will show you how to import your existing data into the Hugo back office, being for example your ticket buyers, an export of your CRM system or existing newsletter subscribers coming from a different email campaigning tool. Now, as always, give me a quick second to pull up the Hugo back office. And there we are. In the start screen, just as you have it as well. Now, to upload your data, you need to go to Data Management and then click Data Upload. Now, on the data upload screen, there's basically nothing else you can do than upload your existing CSV files, and you can do so by dropping it here in the top right box or clicking the link to select the applicable file. Now, after you've clicked the file that you want to upload, the system is basically going to ask you which information you find important and what you'd actually like to import for future filtering purposes. So let's get started. On the top left, we select which event this data belongs to. For example, this is a list of ticket buyers belonging to your great event of today. The label we're going to give this one is our demo import, and we tell the system that the first row are column headers. From here on out, the only thing we need to do is tell which row means what, or which column means what, and whether we want to import it or not. So here on the left, starting on the left, we have the list of client numbers. Now these client numbers are unique, so I will never use this information to filter on in the future. And the same goes for the column purchase, which all reads online. The payment method, however, differs. We have a couple people that bought via Ideal, MasterCard or Visa. So this might be information that we want to filter on in the future. For example, if we set up a partnership with the guys at MasterCard, we want to filter all MasterCard users. So this is information we would like to put in the column of the generic text. And from here on out we proceed. This is the column of first names, and we'd like to keep those to personalized emails. And the same goes for the last name. Of course, the email addresses. We want to be able to filter people on gender, on product types, which in this case, because I already put the payment methods in the generic text 1, I'm going to put the product types in the generic text 2. We want to be able to filter people based on country, even on city, and while we're at it, we'll also add the street and postal code. After this is done, you click on import, give the system a second to crunch the data and pull it in, and after it's done, within your data management section in the back office, you will find the complete list of people. And from here on out, you can start putting people in fan-base groups. Let's say, for example, we want to send an email in Dutch to all people coming from the Netherlands. Then we go to country, we click and type the Netherlands, give the system a second to load, and then the people coming from the Netherlands are being shown, and you can segment them based on each of the input variables you've given in. How to put these people in fan-base groups is quite easy. You go here to the top left, select these ones. If there are more than the grid displays at the moment, you hit the checkbox include all rows that match this filter, and then here you can add people to an existing group, or you create a group first by clicking the blue button, give the group a name, and after this people are added and you're ready to go.